Alright guys, so here at this morning final distribution center. Looks like this guy's getting on the radio. Not sure if it's for me or not, but seems like he's a little bit concerned about what I'm doing out here. The driver had stopped and had a couple of words with him, so maybe he encouraged him to call it in. So we'll see what happens here. I don't know. Have you committed a crime?
Huh?
Have you committed a crime?
No.
People go to jail when they commit crimes, man.
Right.
Yeah, nah.
Well, you know, people take different pictures for different reasons.
Nah, man. Nothing in particular here, just taking photography.
Yeah.
Have a good one, man. Be safe out there on the road.
That's right. You work for these guys?
I don't answer questions, man.
Huh?
I don't answer questions.
Trust with that.
Yep.
What's with the mask? It's not that cold. Okay? What does that mean? Is that English? What does that mean? Is that English? Are you talking foreign language or something? Is that English? Is that what that means? Yeah. Do you talk to your mother like that too?
What a crybaby. He's mad because I gave him the bird. Told him he's number one. Now he's crying about it, saying that that's a threat. So here comes security, guys.
What's up? How's it going?
Keep your distance, man.
Yeah, so
So nothing. No,
No,
so
I was
nothing,
gonna
man.
say-
I don't work for you. Go away.
I was just gonna say be careful with the cars coming in.
Yeah, man. I know. I'm an adult. I'm sure you knew that before you came and became a security guard. You knew to be careful for cars, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, well, why
said
would you
he-
come and tell a grown man to be careful for cars then?
Just saying, he said you didn't notice him, so.
Yeah, right. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
So you're gonna believe a crybaby over somebody with a camera that's recording everything that's going on?
I haven't seen your video footage, so
Yeah.
I can't tell you.
Well, all right. See you later, man.
All right.
Have a good day. goes the crybaby way over there, look. Pinche llorón. Llorón. Well, the security guard definitely took the walk of shame on this one, even though he didn't come out and give me directives, so I'm gonna give him a little bit more respect for that. The other guy tried to tell him to come in, you know, get rid of me or whatnot, and he did the complete opposite, just told me not to get ran over, which was cool. But, you know, we still don't have to answer or give them any information. So that's how it ended on this one. Let's see if anything else happens here today, guys. Overall, I think Smart and Final has a good security detail here today. Maybe we'll visit them on a different day and see if they're as educated at this as this gentleman was today, and we'll go from there. All right, guys, SGV first out here at Super Value Gate 2. Let me see if they respect the right to film out here today. Looks like we got a couple guards in there. Not really too much activity going on today here, so I really don't think that they're going to make a big deal about anything. Alright, look at this guy driving with a paper in his face.